Hello, future content creators. I am back with the brand new video about the AI tools. Today in this video, I will tell you that how you use the AI technology and create a faceless YouTube channel like me. I will share a personal experience and will help you in creating the new faceless YouTube channel. So let's see step-by-step process to create a faceless YouTube channel. Define your niche and content strategy. The first step in creating a successful faceless YouTube channel is to define your niche and content strategy. What topics or themes will your channel focus on? Consider your target audience and what they are interested in. Plan your content. Develop a content plan and create a content calendar. This will help you stay consistent and organized with your uploads. Next step is to create and edit videos. Since you're going for a faceless approach, focus on creating high-quality content that doesn't require showing your face on camera. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing, including a microphone and video editing software. Next step is voiceovers and screen recordings. Consider using voiceovers to narrate your videos. You can also use screen recordings if your content involves software tutorials or presentations. Or else, if you don't want to use your own voice, then you can approach AI tools for this job. I personally use 11 Labs website for AI-generated voice. You can type or copy-paste your script in this website, and it gives you the AI-generated voice for your videos. You can simply download the audio and use it in your videos. For faceless YouTube channel, AI tools are more useful in terms of voice generation and in terms of video generation. You can use AI voice, and you can also use AI-generated videos for faceless YouTube channels. If you know how to use the AI tools properly, then trust me, you will be boosting your channel within a month. I have told about the AI voice generation. If you want AI video generation, then you can use Pictory website. This is one of the best websites for AI video generation relating to your AI voice or scripts. It generates the video syncing your script or audio which you give for analyzing. If you are not the AI user, then all the mentioned websites are very easy to use. Just you need to know about the website working. If you have already used these websites, then let me know your personal experience in comment section. If you haven't, then start using Form now onwards. These websites are simply cool and gives you best results. So guys, this was the video related to the AI tools that you must use. I hope this 3 minutes video was useful for you to create your faceless channel. If you guys have liked the video, then please do subscribe the channel for more informative videos like this and stay tuned for YouTube updates and many interesting videos like this.